Where are they? Oh, come down. And are you all ready to proceed on the motion?
No, Judge.
What is going on? Why you are not ready to
Requesting
proceed?
a reset. Your Honor, he was extradited down here from Arizona. There's just some, the DA and I conferred, and there needs to be some investigation to exactly what happened when he was there and he was in California. What's been going on for the last 3 or so years. We just don't have enough information at this time. So we're asking for reset for further investigation before we try to work something out, hopefully. And I provided the state with the case number from his case from Arizona, and I think they've already gotten their investigator looking at it.
Yes, Your Honor, we are started. We do need to reach out to the county Arizona prosecutors to determine.
All right, so I don't understand why. Like this motion was filed July 24th. And what's filed with the court, the case from Arizona is already attached. So that means that somebody already knew about this somewhere, because the indictment and everything is attached to the motion. So I don't understand.
Your Honor, there's some wording in the order that we need to confer with the prosecutors. It appears that in one of the judgments, there may have been, they may have ordered it to run concurrent with this case. I have the same thought.
Well, I don't have to run it concurrent with this case. So whether they're ordering it or not, that's not a hindrance to what the court does on whether something runs concurrent or not. Similarly, if I were to say this is to run concurrent with the federal case before the federal case is resolved, the federal case does not have to run it concurrently. Now, normally, if there's a sentence that is happening in another case, normally I run it concurrently unless there's a reason not to. So whether or not they ran it concurrently or not is not a hindrance to this case moving forward. So that's off the table, as we need more time to see if they ask that it be ran concurrently or not. So what's the next issue? Just doing what investigation on what? Because if he's already pled to it and that, if he's pled to these cases there, if he entered a plea of guilty, then what is he going to come here and say not true when he's already pled guilty? So I don't understand.
Yeah, and I think just from what defense and I were discussing, we wanted to see what he pled guilty to as there are violations. I know there's one judgment there. It looks like the narrative of the court summary, there may have been 2 charges and those ones picked up 5 additional ones. I didn't know the outcome of those. So that's what I was working with my investigator on.
All right, all they have to do is pick up the phone and call somebody that they'll answer.
Additional judge, I don't think you have the supplement. There's a supplement. Do you have a supplement MTR? Which does include some technical.
I have a first amendment amended.
There's the vast majority of the violations are from Yuma, Arizona, but the very end of the first or second supplement, I believe there's 3 technical violations.
Well, he has the unlawful use or transportation from Yuma, narcotic drug possession, Yuma. So that's on the first amended.
At the very end of the last motion that was filed by the state, there's 3 technical violations.
All right, so let me ask you this.
Yes, ma'am.
So is he sentenced to federal custody? Has he been sent to prison,
He's done,
federal prison?
but not federal, right?
No.
All right, so has he been sent to prison in Yuma?
Yes.
He did about 2.5 years, Judge.
All right, so technicals are what's going to hold this up. All right, so this is coming back tomorrow, and you all need to call whoever you need to call. That's
Did I
what
have-
phones are for.
I can't be here tomorrow. I have a,
I'm sorry.
I can't be here tomorrow. I have a medical procedure.
Okay, all right, so I'll see y'all back this afternoon. Call whoever you need to call.
Judge. I have to prepare for this afternoon.
No, I understand. I want to make sure that you all have all of the information because nobody's called anybody. So I'm not saying it's gonna go on a contested hearing, but you all need to pick up the phone and call Yuma County or whoever you're gonna call to see what information they have, because in the court's documents, and this is just something that's attached to the motion to revoke, they already have the Arizona in the document. So pick up the phone, call somebody.
Yes, we're already working on it.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you.
I can't be back this afternoon.
Okay.
Monday?
Bye.